How to change music on Pandora. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, you can go ahead and open up your Pandora application. Make sure that it is updated and you are actually logged in to your account. Now to change your music on Pandora, the most simple way is to tap on the next arrow right beside the play and the pause button. You can easily change your music on Pandora. If not, as you all know, we have stations on Pandora. You can exit from your current station, go to My Collection option, which is at the very bottom of the page. Then right after that, you can just go ahead and check out your station and select the station that you want to listen to. Once you tap on the station, it will start playing all the music of the artist that is in the particular station you created. You can also listen to the artist and music that is not in your station. For that, tap on For You and it will display all of the different categories and the latest music playing in the country or in the trend. So you can go ahead and check out these collections as well. If you face any of the bug issue, first and foremost, try to check for your Wi-Fi connection. This is the number one issue why you may face any of the lag issue. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and enable your cellular data as well. Press and hold on to your application to go to App Info. Force stop the application and head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once you do this, any bug issue will be solved as well. And that's a wrap for this video as well. We are glad we can help, and thank you so much for tuning in.